Hello folks, Mike Alton here with Competition Door Sales Incorporated. Listen, if you're like me, and most people are, we're always looking for a company that we can trust, a company that we can feel comfortable with come into our place of business or our home to do work. Well, for more than 3 decades now here in the Northeast Florida area, we've been doing just that. We sell and service garage doors and electric door openers. We replace broken springs and fix that old garage door opener that doesn't work for you. We also work on commercial doors, roll-ups, and commercial entry doors, and we replace them as well. Listen, if you're looking for a company that you can trust, one that you would feel comfortable with referring to your neighbor and friends and family, give us a call today. For more information on garage door service, repair, or replacement, call us at 904-358-1350 or visit us on the web at competitiondoor.com.